friends, welcome back to episode 21, an abstraction title in Java. So let's get started. I have opened the Eclipse here. Okay. Okay. In the previous videos, we worked with polymorphism. In this videos, I want to show you how you can work with abstraction class. Abstraction class is like as we have learned in interface. It's like interface, it's prototype. Okay. For example, I want to make a class A. Okay. Now I have a class A. This is a small class. I want to make an abstract method inside this class. So public void display. Abstract classes is like as abstract method in interface. We just make the prototype and we don't need the implementation how it works. Okay, for example, we make the display method and we are not worrying about how it works. Okay, so this is abstract. In interface, you have the methods was as default abstract. Okay, but in abstraction class it is not by default. You should type abstract keyword for the method you want to make it abstract. Okay, now you are not allowed to make an abstract method inside a normal class. If you want to make an abstract method inside a class, your class also should be an abstract method, an abstract class. Okay, now they are gone. This is the abstract. Now if I extend the A class and the Java app tell me you extended an abstract class, that abstract class have an abstract method, so we should implement it. Okay, but this time you don't need to retype the abstract keyword, just public void display without semicolon. You make a normal method. Now as you can see, error is gone. This is the abstract. Another abstract usage is, this was the first one, hello. As you can see, here is the result. Hello. Another usage of abstract is if you have an interface. For example, interface if this have multiple methods, okay? Oh, this is more, this is okay. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F. As you can see, now we have in our interface 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 abstract method. If I don't have an abstract class, if I directly implement the interface, if I have to implement all the abstract method, all that I need just the method A, and I don't need the remaining methods. So what is the way I just implement A? Now if I implement the unimplemented methods, as you can see, this all method gets implemented by the Eclipse. Okay, this was the interface lesson we have learned in the previous, but I need just the method A, so I don't need the remaining. Okay, now as you can see, there is an error again. So that time we can make an abstract class. For example, FF, and I want to make this abstract class FF, which implements F. Okay, as you can see, when you implement an interface inside an abstract class, you are not have to implement all the method. Okay, now instead of directly implementing F inside my Java app, I implemented the interface A inside the class FF, which it is abstract, and then I want to extend the class FF. As you can see here, it is again tell me you should implement the unimplemented methods, which they are all of these. If you can see, as you can see, here is all the method inside interface A, because we implemented inside the FF class, then we extended inside the Java app. But I told you that we only need method A. So there is a way. In abstract, you are not have to implement all the abstract method of interface, I copy the method A, B, C, D, E, F, not A. Okay. Now once I implement the F interface methods, just we have one unimplemented method, which it is A. So here now we are not have to implement all them, just we have to implement the method A. As you can see, the error is gone. So what the problem? Okay, this tell me that I should change this to the public, and also you can add an override. Okay, now we just implement the A. Now I just call the display method here, and instead of display I call A. Hello abstraction, then run. As you can see, here is the result. Thank you for your watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.